Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got a new product in from a new company. Well, they're not new to me. I've been buying a lot of their products recently in the past. But this is from IMALENT. They sent us in their BL50. This is a 3600 lumen total output flashlight. Comes in this box. There is a Black Friday sale going on right now. I will have a link in the description of where you guys can get this. And make sure you use that link because you'll be getting the deal with that. So that's has a sleeve. And then you got your box here. Nice presentation. And then here we are. There's the light. They sent me in the blue one. There are different colors. Oh, I turned it on by opening the box. Check that out. Really cool. They have really cool innovative designs. I really like IMALENT. They're always trying to push the boundaries of what flashlights can do, especially with the amount of power that comes out of this little guy. This one here is a UV light, and then here's your main reflector. Very nice machining. Everything is smooth, no sharp edges. Really nice color too. You do not see a lot of flashlights in this color. Here's your main tail switch. And then you have your charging port here. It's Type C. Wow. There you are. Here is a mode button, and funny enough, this is a LCD screen. Check that out. Doesn't even look like it. Really cool. Gives you a readout, your voltage, and yeah, just an all around really cool light. Fun light. I like it. I've been using it for a while. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I was mentioning the UV light. So if you press and hold down with it off, oh, my bad. It's a double click. So, double click your mode button and immediately get your infrared light. Or UV light, my bad. It says it right there on the screen. And then to go into your regular flashlight, it's going to be here. Your tail switch. And let's get it down to, so we got 5 lumens, and it's going to read your voltage and your battery level. And then we will, if you hold it down, you'll go to your next one, which is 200 lumens, level 2. And then we're gonna hold it down again. You've got 600 lumens, level 3. And then you've got 1200 lumens. I'm telling you, for this price, we'll do some outside shots, but for this size of a light, that's crazy output. And then 2000 lumens. Oh, that's almost too bright for me to look at. But there you go. And then to turbo mode, double click. To turbo. 3600 lumen. Look at that. And it even does turbo with a close to dead battery, which a lot of flashlights will not do that. So Even when you need turbo, if your battery's almost dead, it'll still give it to you. Yeah, very, very, very cool flashlight. Let's check out some of the accessories that they provided us. IMALENT does offer one of the brightest flashlights I do believe that is available. It's like 200,000. They're up to 200,000 lumens already. Just incredible. Incredible. Oh, okay, that's how we open it. Trying to not destroy the box. So they give us a lanyard here, and they give you this piece of metal which helps string it through, which is very nice. And what else we got here? We've got some instructions, their user manual. Everything is there. Multiple languages. Show you how to use your light. And then we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable with a Velcro strap, which makes it really nice to keep it organized and closed up. So very cool. Alright, well, let's go ahead and head outside and get some night shots, shall we? Alright guys, so we're in the truck. We have the IMALENT BL50. We're going to do some night shots here. So let's get it down. This is 5 lumens here. I know it's hard to see, but that's 5 lumens. We'll step it up. That is 200 lumens. And then we've got 600 lumens. Pretty good for a small little light like this. It's got a really good throw on it. And then we're stepping up to 1200 lumens. And then we'll step it up to 2000 lumens. And that's crazy. Look at that for this little light. And then 30,600 lumens right there, turbo. Man. Very nice light, you guys, for this size. Very nice. It's a spotlight. It's really good. Really, really good. So, alright, well, let's take it back to the bench and we'll close this out. Alright, you guys, well, very cool night shots with this. All around, really cool light. It's it fits really well in the hand. I think it's really good for hiking and jogging because you just kind of hold it like this as you're walking. Probably a really good jogger light too, to be honest. But I like this one because it fits really nice in your coin pocket. And so yeah. If you guys want one, there's a link in the description, like I said. And it's on sale for Black Friday. They wanted me to get this video out to you guys so you have that opportunity to get that Black Friday deal. And yeah, so that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Head on over, grab a light, and until next time, y'all have a good one.